It's Wednesday and I open the curtain and we are getting ready to leave from our overnight layover at the Rudders in Leesport, Pennsylvania. Good morning, Fred. We're only about 2 hours from our next pickup. So Harry gets us started out. And gets us on 83 South. And after seeing some amazing autumn leaves, he gets us into Maryland. Harry drives for a little bit longer. Passing by a very big skeleton before getting us to our new pickup point in Hampstead. Under Fred's watchful supervision, of course. We switch off there and I start driving, getting us on 695 South, then 95 South, before stopping at the TA in Jessup so we can scale the load. Then it's time to get back on a 95 South. And everything starts out smoothly. Then I get on 495. And it is a totally different ball game. Eventually, I get us into Virginia. And unfortunately, that doesn't make anything better. Surely it must clear up as I get us on 66 West. Nope, wrong again. It does actually clear up right before I get us onto 81 South, where I stop at the Pilot at Tomsbrook so I can take my 30. And so Fred can stretch his legs as well. So I get us back on 81 South, and the traffic is much clearer. So of course the rain's going to start up again. Funny enough, we end up back at the Petro in Glade Springs so we can switch off. And Fred convinces Harry that it's time to go visit their dog park. Harry starts driving, and we've got 417 miles to go. Where are we headed? Stay tuned.